distinguished colleague and CJI designated Justice Khanna, all sister and brother judges, the Attorney General for India, and all our registry staff. This has taken almost a year and a half in conceptualization and planning, and the actual execution has taken about 6 months, so it's been done in record time. And we thought that we must have not just a museum of artifacts, but a museum comparable to the best internationally to project the importance of our institution and the high courts in delivering justice to our citizens and in protecting fundamental rights of our citizens. I traveled to Brazil in summer and I thought I got some ideas from the Museum of Tomorrow, but the executors of this museum, the moving pixels, were already ahead of their time. They knew what I was talking about. They had also designed the Prime Minister's Pradhan Mantri Vastu Sangrahalaya at Tirumurti Bhavan. So they had all the experience of doing a modern museum of the highest international quality. I'd like to thank our registry. I'd like to thank Moving Pixels. I'd like to thank Brother Justice Rishikesh Roy and Brother Justice Narasimha, who went through copiously the written text to make sure that there were no errors. Of course, it's work in progress, and we'll be improving as times go on. So this reflects really the ethos of the Supreme Court and the importance of the court in the life of our nation. So on behalf of all my colleagues here, I have pleasure in dedicating this museum to the nation. Our effort is really to allow this museum to become an interactive space for the younger generation. We want to have younger children from schools, from colleges, citizens who are not necessarily lawyers and judges to come here and breathe the air which we breathe every day in the court, and to bring a live experience to them of the importance of the rule of law and the work which all of us as judges, as lawyers do. And it's not judge-centric because it has segments that we saw on the Constituent Assembly, those who framed the Constitution, the members of the bar who have really contributed with their fearless advocacy to making the court what it is today. And I'm sure that we'll be able to get more and more people here. I request all the members of the bar to come here and see the museum. And immediately, I hope, with effect from the next week, my successor will also open up this space for the younger generations, that they can breathe the life of justice that we breathe every day. Thank you very much.